All of you may know that there are many ways of making milk rice. Last year I cooked milk rice in many ways like normal milk rice, green gram milk rice and cashew and jaggery milk rice. This year at the very beginning I cooked Imbul Kiribat too. You can get all of those videos by clicking the above links. Not only milk rice, you can watch all of my Avurudu recipes in Avurudu recipe playlist in my channel. As I mentioned in my previous videos, you can watch all of the photos and details of these recipes in dailylife.lk website too. Today I am going to make milk rice mixed with condensed milk. First we need to wash white raw rice and put it into your cooking pan. Then add water to the level until all rice is covered and cook this like we normally cook rice. Meanwhile, we can extract coconut milk. Now we need to mix salt with coconut milk. After that, mix condensed milk with coconut milk. When rice is well cooked, add milk into this. Cook milk rice under medium heat while stirring continuously. Now we can add plums into this. If you like, you can add some cashew too. When rice absorbed all coconut milk and starts sticking together, switch off the flame. Put all milk rice onto a flat surface, level it and then cut into pieces. Since we add condensed milk, this milk rice is little bit sweeter than a normal one. So rather than having it with lunu miris, this goes well with bananas. See you soon with another delicious Avurudu recipe. To watch them all, subscribe my channel and turn on notifications.